So Brian, some of the buzzwords in the industry right now are AI, right? Artificial intelligence, and IA, which is intelligent automation. Can you explain the difference between the two of them? And then how have we integrated each into smart management?
Sure. So I guess let me start with AI, right? AI, you got a couple different problem sets, right? Elon Musk they're developing AI to be able to do self-driving cars, right? They're taking millions and millions and millions of data sets in order to train it to do a specific task. And they're validating it against real life experience to make sure that it works or not. The amount of effort and time to do all of that is enormous. So you have to have a huge problem that you're trying to solve. Right. So that's one type of AI. The other type of AI, which is, you come out and you get a general solution. Like they can make a PowerPoint, they could create a response to something, but it's not necessarily critical path, right? They can give you a solution, then a human typically affirms whether or not it's right or not, and then how to use it from there. Right? Those are the two predominant AI types of solutions that are out there today. So one, fully autonomous, one requires a man in the loop to move forward. I would say intelligent automation is really saying, hey, how do we take an expert and bring it forward and say, hey, I want to automate what that person's best practice is going to be. So an analogy would be, when I was with Rockwell Automation, a common problem was, how do you get a motor to turn a load in a way that would make a machine work? And what seems like a trivial thing is a very complex thing that typically required an expert to come in and get that thing just working just right. What we did was we took a couple of us that were experts and said, hey, and all the different problems, we want to automate this from best practice theory. And we proved it out. And effectively, every single robot no longer requires this. It just works out of the box now. When we went to market, our biggest problem was when we just said, hey, all you gotta do is hit this button and it'll just work. Nobody would do it. They didn't trust it. When we connected the dots and said, hey, here's the underlying theory behind it, all of a sudden they fully trusted it and they would just turn it on and it would work. So where we're going with intelligent automation is saying, hey, I want my COO's best practice. I want to take his brain and just do what it should be doing automatically, right? So that's what we're really building into our product is an ability to have smart products that are what we know should be happening.